I'm recording. No going back now, no going back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I took quite a long break from this channel. I hibernated like a bear, but I'm back and I'm excited to share more food recipes like this healthy Nourish bowl that I'll be sharing in this video today. I call this the Summer Salmon Nourish Bowl. It's packed with a ton of nourishing ingredients like bok choy, spinach, hemp seeds, wild salmon, sweet potatoes, and it's topped with an herby tahini lemon vinaigrette. Quick plug, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more food videos and also other random videos because I can't pick a lane. Anyways, let's get started. Alright, so to make the salmon, I kept it very simple and I roasted the salmon with some extra virgin olive oil, a drizzle of honey, and some kosher salt and fresh cracked pepper. I then massaged this all onto the salmon, which I immediately regretted because my fingers immediately got sticky. If I had a time machine, I would use a brush for this part. Anyways, I digress. I then place some thinly sliced lemon slices on top of the salmon. The juice is released as the salmon cooks and it gives it a nice lemony, juicy flavor. And I roasted the salmon at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. All right, so I am going to chop up my veggies next while the salmon is roasting in the oven. I am chopping up some bok choy, some delicious crunchy carrots, and some French radishes. And you can use whatever veggies you love. Thankfully, Nourish bowls I feel like are pretty flexible and you can just follow your heart. Next, I am going to make this delicious herby tahini lemon dressing, all-purpose sauce. I like to use it throughout the week on different dishes and to eat with veggies and salads. I really like this brand of tahini because it's very high quality, creamy, and delicious. And it's also crafted by women, so you know it's already superior and amazing. These are the ingredients that you're gonna need. You're gonna need kosher salt, 1 garlic clove. Just use 1 clove or even half because raw garlic can be very overpowering and intense. So tread lightly there because you can't go backsies once you put in too much garlic. You're also going to need a bunch of parsley, the juice of 1 lemon, and then the water is optional. If you're using a thicker tahini, you can use some water incrementally to thin out the dressing in order to get it to more like a dressing consistency. Then you're going to combine all of the ingredients into a food processor or blender and blend. I like to store my dressing in a small mason jar, as you can see. Next, I'm going to assemble the Summer Salmon Nourish Bowl. I first start with a bed of spinach, which you can watch me zhuzh until I get it just right. Then I add my bok choy and I zhuzh that as well. And then I add my beautifully roasted honey salmon. And then for this next part, I very royally failed as a YouTuber and forgot to film myself making these roasted potatoes and mushrooms and rice. So I will include them in the description below. And I will reflect and do better next time. I then add my avocado, radishes, carrots, more mushrooms, and hemp seeds, which are a great source of protein. And then I drizzle some of that amazing herby tahini dressing onto this Summer Salmon Nourish bowl. And that's it, a very healthy Nourish bowl packed with a lot of superfoods, and hope you enjoy. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe because it supports my channel and shit. Love you. Bye.